Alright, you ready? Because what if I told you, you've been sleeping on hybrid cars for years, and 2025 is about to slap you with a comeback so wild, even your grandma's Prius is jealous. You think EVs are the future? Pfft. Turns out hybrids are back, baby, and they're flexing harder than a gym bro in January. And get this, some hybrids in 2025 go farther than your ex running from commitment. No charger anxiety, no, will it make it to Taco Bell? Just smooth, budget-friendly cruising. But wait, did you hear about the hybrid that charges itself while you drive? Yeah, it's like a phone with infinite battery except you can't text and drive. Meme moment, imagine Elon Musk seeing this and going, bruh. And before you ask, no, you don't need a PhD to own one. Cheaper, smarter, cooler. Even your dog could probably drive one. Poll time? Drop a comment, Team Hybrid or Team Full EV. I want to know and I'll reply to some of the funniest takes. And hey, if you laughed or learned, smash that like. If you want to see me test drive a hybrid, blindfolded, kidding, YouTube don't demonetize me, subscribe for more brain fuel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next shocker. Remember, hybrids ain't just back, they're here to roast the electric car hype. Did you catch that hidden meme? Rewind if you missed it. Peace.